Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Let's tune it back in. In front of me is a beautiful green goblin Accord that I call it. You guys can call it whatever you want, but this thing is a beast. I like it. Oh, and don't get distracted by that GTR back there. Keep your eyes on this guy right here. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the like button and comment below what you guys think about this Accord that's right in front of us. And we got the owner here, so we're definitely going to give you his IG. DM him for any questions and stuff like that. Make sure you follow him. And let's start the short interview here. So what have you done in the front?
All right, so the front, got the new V4 bumper.
Nice.
You know, wrapped it in the same nose with the green. I got the new carbon fiber hood, wrapped it as well.
Sweet. Take a closer look at it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this is a Save-On carbon fiber hood.
And the vents are functional, right?
Yes.
Yep. And no issues about water going in and stuff like that. No issues at all. How long have you had it for?
I had it for like 2-3 months now.
2-3 months? Nice. No issues. That's dope. That's something I would actually do on my Accord too. Pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
Getting that front view. Yeah. Really nice. So what about the emblem? I know a lot of people ask about the emblem.
Still one of one. Honestly, I'm gonna make them in productions very soon.
Because you made that logo yourself.
Yeah, I made the logo
that design.
Yeah, so one of one as of now. Yeah, I designed it from scratch.
Nice.
Yeah.
Came out really nice.
I appreciate you.
Well, then you said it's going to be in production too, right? For people who may be interested in?
Oh, definitely. Soon and very soon.
I'll look forward to it.
All right, brother.
Imagine you get my logo on there, bro.
Oh, fire.
Yep, so the front, that's it. So wrapped in that same color. What about the wheel specs?
Oh, the wheels have changed. It's still Ferrado. I went with the CM1s this time.
Yeah.
The specs are 19.9.5 in the front.
Yeah.
And 19.10.5 in the back.
10.5 in the back and 9.5 in the front. Nice. So you got that nice setup.
I believe it's 20 in the front and 40 and plus
40?
43 in the back.
Okay. And then, as I could see right there, is you got the big brakes.
Big brakes. Rolo phase.
There you go.
Yeah,
how do you like them? What do you think? What's the experience?
The power is crazy.
It's quick,
Not to
right?
mention they're beautiful.
I feel like anybody's got a 2.0.
Yeah.
You should get those big brakes.
You should get those.
If you're doing performance.
I agree.
Yep. Then going down, and that's the roof wrap right on top.
That's not the roof. That was the original.
That's the original color. Okay, there you go. So we got the original color black, guys. Check it out. Gloss black. All right, that's the original color. Wrapped it in this.
Of course.
The wrap came out really nice.
Oh, appreciate you.
Yeah.
Side view mirrors. This is a carbon cover as well. Real carbon. So
But it's real.
carbon.
I can tell it's real though. You get that nice shine in the middle inside it.
Matches the hood.
Yeah, it matches that hood. Yep. Sweet. Going down. So this is 10.5 in the back. They got a little concave going on here. Concave style looks pretty dope. Look at that.
I was gonna go
I
with
like it.
20s first, but
Yeah, 20 gives it a nice aggressive look.
Yeah, and the concave would have been deeper.
Yep. Then we got that IG right there. You guys want to follow? Interior is red, as you can see. We'll go to the back. Interior is red. That,
Of course, it's
very
on
dope.
suspension.
Yes, and it's on. They'll see that one. They already know, bro. You got the remote right there. It's on airbags. But yeah, got the custom steering wheel. Pretty dope.
And I did recently get these powder coated to the same red as the brakes.
Oh, they're powder coated, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice and shiny. Yep.
Yeah, my boy did that phenomenal on the works.
Sweet. And then you got that. I like that diffuser. I mean, not the diffuser. Sorry, the spoiler.
Yeah, that is new too. That's, I believe it's the V2 Yofer.
V2 Yofers, right? Yeah, it's a nice one.
Like
Yep.
and what else I did in the back was, recently I changed the exhaust.
What did you change it to?
I had a thermal exhaust before and I changed it to Rev 9.
Rev 9?
I loved it.
Okay, you might have to see how that sounds.
Yeah.
So no downpipes?
I have a front pipe.
Okay, you have a
PRL
front pipe,
yep.
but no downpipes.
No
downpipe stock, and then you have a bolt-on exhaust, Rev 9,
Exactly.
right?
You wanna hear it?
Yeah, we will hear it once this is done. Keep that for last. All right, got that done. Yeah, super clean, man. Yeah, once he drops it even lower is dope. And the trunk setup?
Big update on the trunk setup.
Look at that.
Of course, two compressors, the tank. Got these speaker box enclosures.
I like how you wrapped up the tank too.
Oh, yeah,
In the same color. Yeah, that's crazy. What you guys think? Comment below. The setup is dope, man. It's clean. Yep. And then You want to start it up and get the... Alright, let's listen to that now. Rev 9, alright? You can do a few revs. Pretty deep. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty deep. Sounds pretty deep. Really nice. Clean. No drone inside, right? No drone inside either.
On the highway, that's it.
A little bit on the highway. At the higher RPM, I assume, right? Gotcha. Anything under the hood?
Nothing done.
Nothing done, just stock.
It's still the daily.
Yeah, so it's still a daily, bro. But yeah.
Breakfast, right?
Yeah, we're going to that meet.
But I put 90,000 miles on this.
90,000 miles on this guy already. Look at that. So you guys already know, these things are like diamonds, bro. They last for almost ever. But there we have it, fam. This is it. Make sure you guys have any questions, whatnot. That big diff right there. Alright, and airing out. Alright, hold on, let me get the other view. He's about to air it out too right now, so there you go. Nice. There you go. Air it out. Sweet. Get you guys a full glance on the sides because you guys wanted it, you guys requested it, so here I am doing it for y'all.
Make sure you put it on the high setting.
There you go. Nice.
Make sure this is
Alright, fam. So peace out till next time. Comment below if you guys need something in a video, what you got me to do next. I'll be happy to do that. And peace out till next time.